Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Goodyear Territory tires, integrated brake controller, lane keep assist, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, cup holder storage in the bottom. Speakers right next to it. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wooden chrome accents. You're also going to have these 2-liter off-road running boards. And onto these seats, you're going to have these all black heated bucket seats. Super comfortable. Hop in. You're going to have a new animation in here. Once you load it up, looks pretty good. Left side, you're going to have your drive mode selector as well as your lighting controls. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The black bow tie. And the right side will be voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 matte black paddle shifters. We're in the showroom today, so we're gonna have to just go auxiliary power. You can have an all-digital speedometer. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your adaptive, your navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. And on to the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance as well. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa. Below that, you're going to have lane keep assist and auto stop, as well as your hill descent control with more of the wooden chrome accents. You have the integrated brake controller right next to your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side. Center console, you're going to have the brand new shifter, the cup holders, as well as your wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Lots of extra storage in there. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable, all black, wooden chrome goes all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment, and then here you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. You're going to have these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory one-terrain tires. Equipped with the Z71 package, you're going to have the 2-tone hood scoop, Duramax badging, the black mirror caps, and keyless entry door handles as well. It's Trail Boss badging. You're going to have the black corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. In the back, you're going to have the multi-flex tailgate, the grab handle, and 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall charger, and around 12 bed tie-downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wooden chrome accent. Back. Very good legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. You're going to have more storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as Goodyear Territory tires, sprayed bed liner, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.